Hey everybody, Chris here. So everybody buy $10 worth of Dogecoin today. That's Monday, November 18th. We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we did have an epic 5-hour live stream on Sunday. That's right. A lot to talk about was charting Doge and whether it was going to break out of that bull pennant, which it did, kind of. We'll take a look at that as well, but we got a lot to talk about, so let's get into it. The charts and the news, I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart, and here we are at 36 cents. That's right, this is where we were pretty much all day Sunday. Here's the breakout that we had on Sunday night, and my price prediction on that breakout was that Doge would go much higher, come back and retest that downward support line, which was resistance, retest it and move higher. It's happening a little faster. Doge didn't quite move up with as much of a pump as I had predicted, but it is following that trend. Of course, Bitcoin was doing the same thing. Bitcoin did have the dip, and we had charted that dip during the live stream. Bitcoin continued up higher and then has retraced back. So Bitcoin back below 90K, and that is pulling a lot of other cryptos down. Algorand went on a huge run yesterday, starting to really wake up, but having a little pullback as well because Bitcoin kind of takes over there. So that's what's going on. But we've been talking about this, buying $10 worth of Dogecoin, and I'm going to be doing that today. Again, this is from this Reddit post that we've been talking about, and even John Doge is saying there's a Doge Reddit thread created where retail investors are going to buy some Dogecoin. So what is going on? Everybody buy $10 worth of Dogecoin. If there are 2 million subscribers on Reddit, then the price would go parabolic, blah, blah, blah. Sounds kind of like the Wall Street Bets GME short squeeze back in 2021. Again, this is purely for entertainment purposes. Please do not invest thinking this is an exact replica of that situation. Entertainment purposes. But I'm going to be buying, and I'm going to be buying, I was going to tell everyone exactly when. It's going to be 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock noon East Coast time. That is 11 o'clock Central time in the United States. And that would be, of course, 9 o'clock Pacific Coast time. So that's when I'm going to be buying, and I'm actually going to be doing 10 purchases of Doge in $10 amounts. That's what I can only tell you what I'm doing. This is for entertainment purposes only. Don't expect a huge pump in the price of Dogecoin. This is for fun. Why November 18th? Well, initially there was going to be a SpaceX Starship launch. That got pushed to the 19th. That's actually going to be tomorrow. But we do kind of think that Gary Gensler may be resigning today, or maybe it's just because it's a Monday. We just had a nice weekend and we're looking for a Dogecoin pump, and why not have a little fun at it as well. So that's what that's about. So if you want to buy some Dogecoin, I mean, with Bitcoin's price coming down and Doge also coming back down a little bit in price, why not buy a little lower now than where it was overnight? So 38-cent Dogecoin, 36-cent Dogecoin, who knows, maybe it'll be in the 35s by the time it gets to noontime, and you're buying Doge at a little lower price. There was this on Binance, is Dogecoin ready to triple again? Expert, the bull flag pattern has appeared. The next step is to challenge that point. So this was Trader Allen's. He was looking at 90 cents. We had Ali looking at 85 cents. Mine was more short-term, 60 cents. So a lot of different views of what this bull pennant, bull flag is and what the potential is for Doge. We will be watching that. Ali's also saying, look, in 2020, after Bitcoin broke its previous all-time high of 19.7, it surged 26%, consolidated for a week, and then jumped to $40,000. Fast forward to today, Bitcoin has risen 28% after surpassing its previous all-time high. It's been consolidating for the past 6 days. History might repeat itself. So that's where we were in 2020, right before the 2021 boom in Bitcoin. And this is what we're doing now, right here. is this a similar thing, and how high will Bitcoin go? So, and of course, Dogecoin, we are looking at these big cups here, and this is playing out just like the huge cup and handle we're seeing on the overall total market cap, right around $3 trillion. We did chart a big cup and handle on that during the live stream. We'll be looking at that again on my next live stream, which will be Monday at 4 o'clock. That's 4 o'clock p.m. East Coast time. And we'll follow up on the whole Dogecoin $10 thing today and see what effect, if any, it might have had. But Doge deserves a 3 to 5 3-month candles from this point. Are you ready for this journey up for Dogecoin next? And even Blunt's, yes, Blunt says nothing's changed. We just had a nice 23% dip. That was from 43 cents down to 35 cents. So we had that dip, consolidating and ready for the next move up. And Blunt says, I think this week will be a Doge week. Once the next Doge leg up starts, we'll probably start to suck liquidity out of the smaller memes again. The only reason they went so hard this week was because Doge had been chilling. So we've been watching those other memes. I'll talk about BOEM in just a minute because that's the one I'm thinking is going to go on the next surge. But because Pepe and WIF got listed on Robinhood, that was a big thing. And so exciting still, Bonk hitting all-time highs. So a lot of things still happening on the meme side. But Doge is going to suck the liquidity right out of it. Dogecoin slips from 43 cents. Again, that was that pullback back in that bull pennant. But holders are undeterred. We are holding. Next rally is coming. Some of you are still freaked out. Some of you thinking Doge is dropping to 28 cents or lower. And I'm like, the support is so there. Bitcoin's still holding right around 90K. Bitcoin isn't dropping. Now there's these threats like World War III and all. Sure, that stuff is out there. There's nothing you can do about that, though. So if you're expecting that to happen, sure, sell all your Doge and buy back in at a lower price. But I think I can only tell you what I'm doing, right? I'm not selling mine. I'm thinking we are going higher. Dogecoin rally is imminent. Experts predict 50% surge. Again, this is what I've been talking about. This next like 40 cent up to 60 cent jump. That's my next price target for Dogecoin. And then we had this other fun little story. Dogecoin co-founder proposes national Doge reserve. Yes, a national Dogecoin strategic reserve instead of Bitcoin. Why would that be? It's like there's all this talk about, like on Kalshi, the odds of Trump creating a national Bitcoin reserve are now up to 66%. But Billy says, why not a national Dogecoin reserve? I mean, Dogecoin has garnered significant attention with Elon Musk and everything that's going on with Doge and the Department of Government Efficiency and all of that. It's like Marcus's suggestion for a national Dogecoin reserve prompts us to consider the growing role of meme coins in government financial strategies. Whether or not these ideas materialize, the rapid ascent of both Bitcoin and Dogecoin illustrates the shifting landscape. A U.S. Dogecoin reserve would provide a safety net against extreme price volatility and signal increased confidence among investors and the broader financial community. So, something that we will talk about going forward. This is kind of an interesting thing, right? Talking about Doge and what its place is in the future. A U.S. Dogecoin reserve. I like that. I like that. We do have other coins that are moving, though. We talked about Hedera on Sunday during the live stream and watching Hedera's big run. Algorand has also just gone on a big run as well. And this is all about this whole capital gains tax for crypto companies that are based in the United States. So Algorand, Hedera, Ripple, and Cardano are kind of like the biggest four that are being talked about. And there's a lot of price action going in on those. And as far as memes, a lot of them have just run. So buying Bonk up at the top, I'm not doing that. I bought a bag of Bonk about a year ago. So now I am on the BOEM bandwagon. This is the book of meme because it's expecting a pump. This pump of BOEM is still to come. And this is the chart that has been posted here on Binance on BOEM. And we're looking at the possibility from a penny now to 1.5, and I'm looking at 2 cents right here, which is the top of this pennant coming back to 2 cents, and that would be possibly a quick doubling of your investment from 1 cent to 2 cents. That's what I'm doing. If you want to know where I buy Book of Meme, I buy it on Crypto.com, and Crypto.com I am now affiliated with. I have a link in the description below. You can get $100. That's right. If you start an account, you have to put some fiat in, like about $50 worth. You got to trade like $100 worth. You know, and each of those levels gets you some rewards. And then the final reward is if you want a metal card, you can get a Crypto.com credit card. And with that, you earn rewards in Crow. So again, it's accumulating Crow tokens on the platform. There's a lot of other things you can do within Crypto.com to get rewards. It's a fun platform to trade on, and they've got a lot of smaller tokens that you can't get on Coinbase or Robinhood, which is why I have been trading on Crypto.com with a small part of my portfolio, having a little fun, accumulating Crow tokens, and then you collect diamonds and you convert the diamonds to Crow tokens as well. So my bag of Crow tokens is actually growing through Crypto.com. If you have any more questions about that, ask me during the live streams. We have a lot of fun there as well. But do check out the link below to Crypto.com. So that's what's going on. We'll watch today, again, at 12 o'clock East Coast time. I'm buying $10 of Doge in 10 different installments there, just for the fun of it. It's entertainment purposes only. We'll check in at 4 o'clock the next live stream and see what effect, if any, that had with Dogecoin. Leave a comment below. Let me know. Are you buying $10 worth of Dogecoin today, November 18th? It's going to be a fun day. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.